Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. We're working on getting hot wire out around the barn for the little pig, but thought we'd start off with showing you the stack of little pigs. And we've installed the ground rod. We're working on wire this fence over here. With the help of Charlie. Here Charlie is trying to fix one of the old dog houses for the little pig to come out here. As soon as he's done with that, we'll bring the pig out here and I'll put a straw first, and then turn the wire on and see how he likes the new hot wire fence. I'm trying to do it here in the daylight so we don't have any issues of him escaping at night. Well, Harold is in his new home. There's his house right there. Hopefully he'll know that's where he's supposed to sleep. A straw in there. He's really curious. So this should hold him. The wire is hot. It's not greatly hot. Just hopefully he learns before he tries to run the fence. Because he may actually get out. I hope not. Kind of like this little pig. But he's liking his new place to run. Oh, yeah, that hurts. Hopefully he learns quick. Don't touch the wire. How you going, Harold? You're not too happy, are you? You should be happy. You get to run around. And I don't like tonight. Old alfalfa root right there. Yeah, problem with this pig here, he's not one of the grazers like we have. He's a bigger breed, and we'll see if he roots up the whole place. The other pigs we have are pretty good. They don't dig holes. But he's got a pretty powerful nose. He's gonna miss playing with the puppy. Well, now I think it's time to go get the puppy and teach the puppy about hot wire fence. Oh, he's not happy. I'll bring him with a friend. I can get zapped together. Hopefully, he gets along with the boar here. See, it's supposed to be his replacement. Don't tell the boar that though. But the boar's actually producing now, so I guess he's a keeper for a while. So let's go get the puppy. The pig's moving now. Okay, we got the labradoodle puppy with us. That's Sally, and Harold is Sally's friend. So I think we're gonna find out how things go here. Sally, your friend's calling you. Don't get too close to the fence. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go see the pig. Shelby, you're gonna get shocked. I don't know if she's gonna get the dog or not. You gotta stick with her nose in there. Yep, that's our dog. It's a lesson for the dog, the pup. I don't know, Shelby here is already touched it, or she's smarter than that. The pig's not too happy. Oop, there it is again. Yeah. Well, it seems like we need hotter wire. Takes a while. He keeps touching it, and it's not shocking him all the time. I'm afraid he's going to lift up on the bottom of it, and he's going to be halfway through and get electrocuted. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. See, I'm not sure how well this is going to work tonight. Yep, he's still kind of small for this netting. So I don't know. I'm afraid to leave him out here at nighttime by himself. Hate to be with the one on the internet going, hey, you seen a pig running around? Well, I'm not sure how well he's going to do the boar. I don't know. The boar might be fine. It was okay with the piglets. Then again, that was his kids, not this one's not. Eventually, they will all have to get along. The ones that don't are baking a little quicker than the other ones. Well, we'll see how he does tonight. Hopefully he's still here in the morning. Doesn't escape. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great evening.